Hey y'all, Dime Bree Barbecue, back in front of the grill today. If you're coming back, welcome back. If it's your first time here, hey, thanks for checking us out. Today we're gonna be talking salmon. I got this beautiful filet, sockeye salmon. Picked this up at the local grocery store. I always like cooking fresh salmon, and I really don't like farm raised salmon. I prefer it to be wild caught. Can't get that all the time, but whenever it comes in season, I definitely like to do it. I'm gonna go in and get this thing prepped up, show you how we like to do it. This salmon's got a little bit of, you can see some of the skin flakes on here. We've got a little bit of skin flake on here. So I'm just gonna come in and try to get some of that skin off some of the scales that got transferred over whenever they bagged it up for me. Just try and get some of that off of here. And sometimes in a salmon, whenever you get them from the store, they're gonna have bones in it. This one doesn't have any bones in it. They've done a real good job of cleaning this one up. But if it did have bones in it, you could just literally take and fold this salmon over your hand, and you're gonna be able to feel if there's any bones in this salmon. This one's pretty much cleaned up, so we're just gonna go in here. I've got a little bit of stray stuff on here that I wanna just kind of trim off. Not necessary, but I like to make a clean cook, so I like to get some of this stuff off of here. Make it as clean as possible whenever I'm cooking it. Got a little flap here. We're just gonna go ahead and peel that off. It's just gonna burn. We'll go ahead and get this little tail piece off of here too. And that's about it. Now the one I'm gonna be doing today, this is my wife's absolute favorite salmon dish. It's very simple, very easy, minimal ingredients. I mean, literally we've got brown sugar and we've got hot honey. That's all you're gonna need. So I'm gonna get in here, we're gonna prep this salmon up, get it ready for the smoker. Now I've got a wire rack here, and then I've just got some paper on it. It's just butcher paper. It's not necessary to do this, but I like to put the butcher paper down. You lay that skin on there, and that skin will actually stick to that butcher paper. So whenever you go to get this salmon off, you can literally just fork it off and the skin's gonna stay behind. So we're gonna go ahead and get into seasoning this thing up. Like I said, it's a very simple ingredient. Nothing fancy on this. We're just gonna come in with some brown sugar on top. Kind of give that a pat in. Just want to kind of evenly coat the salmon. And that sugar is going to form like a glaze on it. So basically this is a hot honey sugar glazed salmon, and it's absolutely delicious. Like I said, it's my wife's favorite way for me to cook it, and so that's just how I do it. That's what she likes, so that's what she's getting. And you can already see just from the time that I put that sugar on there how it's already starting to just melt into that salmon. That's exactly what we're looking for. All right, so you can already see, like I said, it doesn't take long for that sugar to start working, coming in contact with that skin. It just is gonna form its natural glaze on this salmon. Now then we're gonna come back and just hit it with a little bit of honey. This is just Mike's hot honey. If you don't like hot honey, you don't have to use the hot honey, but it's not gonna be spicy. It's just gonna add another level of flavor to this thing. So we're just gonna come in here with just a little bit of hot honey. Now we're gonna let this thing kind of sit out here, hang out for just a few minutes. The grill's getting fired up. We're gonna be cooking today at 225 degrees. We'll check in on it every little bit, but this is probably gonna take 45 minutes to an hour at 225 to get to a done cook. So we're gonna let it kind of sweat out here, let the grill get fired up, and I'll bring you back. All right, so we've got the grill cruising, 225 degrees. We're just gonna go ahead and throw this salmon in here. That's basically it. We'll shut the lid on it. I'll probably bring you back in about 30, 45 minutes. We'll take a temp check on it, see where we're sitting. All right, so that salmon's been on there for about 45 minutes. You can already start to see that the fat's kind of coming out of that. That's a pretty good sign that this thing is probably done. We're gonna go ahead and get in here and take a temp check on it. So we're sitting about 128. 127, 128. That salmon is done. We're gonna go ahead and pull this thing off of here, let it rest for a minute. All right, so here we are. That salmon's cooled down. We've let it kind of rest here for about 5 or 10 minutes just to let some of the heat come off of there. You don't have to rest salmon that long, but you just want to let it rest long enough that it's not going to burn your mouth. So we wound up cooking this thing 225 degrees. It wound up going for about 45 minutes. We've got a real nice glaze from that honey and that brown sugar. This salmon looks absolutely delicious. Let's just go ahead and get in here and see if we can't get a taste of it. Like I said, whenever you're cooking with that paper underneath it, that salmon just flakes right off the skin. Your skin stays behind. You don't have to worry about nothing. This salmon is absolutely looks amazing. It's cooked perfectly. It's got the flakiness that we want. We're gonna go ahead and get in here and see if we can't get a bite. That's really good. You get the sweetness of the brown sugar. You get the little hint of smoke from running at 225 degrees. You also get the flavor of the salmon that shines through. It's not overly sweet. It's not overly hot. It's just the absolute perfect blend of what you want to eat. I can see why this is my wife's favorite way for me to cook salmon. Hey, if you like what you see here, I got other social media pages. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all under Dine Breed Barbecue. We just cooked up hot honey glazed salmon out here on the grill. Thanks for watching.